Welcome is coming. Welcome is coming. I'm I just say don't drive for me. Okay, don't be coming. He's coming up. It's coming. Sorry, right? Yes. Okay, Okoro. Yeah. I am face the light there. You will rush. You have fancy. But I need a baby. Stop. You have my love, stop now, please. Baby, I love you. Please come. Please. Baby, I won't be my love, come stop.
My name na Okoro, Adimo State. Nwome Jemba. Adomondeba. Hello, the way I just dey happy for this girl. Seriously, I'm happy for her. She just took the internet on her when nobody knew anything about her. Nobody even sabi say this girl just got married. Chai! When a man truly loves you, he loves everybody around you. See the way Okoro's husband just dey look out for her shine daughter. This is just evident that Okoro made the right choice. I'm so happy for her. God, Okoro truly made a beautiful bride. I'm tearing up already. Is a del something. Hey, congratulations, my beautiful bride. Wow, it came as a shock to me. No be del way they describe the kind of man where she wants the other time, not knowing that this man that she introduced to us like play had very good intentions for her. Indeed, a man that wants you will never stress you. He will go straight to the point. Wow, congratulations, del. Is a del something. I'm so happy for her. Wish I were.
Baby, no mind them. Asawa, baby, oh baby, no mind them. Hosanna, baby, not jealous you because you find past them. Asawa, baby, not jealous you. Your God is big past them. Hosanna, baby, not jealous you because you find past them. Asawa, baby, not jealous you. Your God is big past them. Hosanna.